Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 ML1 RealEstate. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, and other courses. We can move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 ML1 RealEstate. Creator has automatically added your last name in the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So step number 1 is complete. We can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is before a subtotaling the data you want to calculate the selling price as a percentage of the asking price. In a cell G2 sales subtotal worksheet, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G2. Insert a formula, calculate the selling price, percentage of asking price, format it with the percentile with the 1 decimal places. Select the cell G2 and insert a formula to calculate the selling price and asking price. Insert a formula, type is equal to and selling price percentage of asking price. Selling price divided by asking price. Press enter button. So the asking price format with the percentile 1 decimal places. Format with the percentile and 1 decimal places. Go to the home tab and number group. Style is percentile with the 1 decimal places. Go to the home tab, number group, click 1 decimal places. Click OK. And then copy the formula down through the column. Copy the formula. So the step number 2 is complete. We can move to the step number 3. So the step number 3 is real estate agent often analyze how long houses are on market. You will calculate the number of days between the listing date and sale dates. In a cell J2, enter a formula to calculate the number of days between the listing date and sale dates. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell J2. Enter a formula to calculate the number of days between the listing date. Type is equal to Calculate the number between the listening date and stay date. Sale date minus listening date. Press enter button. Copy the formula down through the column. So copy the formula. Go to the instruction file. So step number 3 is complete. We can move to the step number 4. So step number 4 is you are about ready to subtotal the data. First you will sort the data. Sort the list by the city alphabetically order. Go to the data tab and select the sort dialog box and list by the city in alphabetically order. Add a level, add a city level. Order is A to Z. Then by selling agent in a alphabetically order. Add the level by selling agent. Add a level, yeah, selling agent A to Z. And finally by the listening date, oldest to newest. Finally by the listening, the third level is listening date. Order is the oldest to newest. Click OK. So step number 4 is complete. We can move to the step number 5. So the step number 5 is you want to display the subtotal for 3 column to analyze. You analyze the average. Use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on the market by city. Ensure that a summary below the data is selected and click OK. Be sure that only the range A1 to J88 selected group the data using the auto outline button. Use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price and percentage of asking price. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the data tab. Go to the subtotal worksheet. Calculate the average selling price and percentage of asking price, days on the market by city. That is changed by the city. Average selling price and percentage of asking price. Use the function is average and the selling price and percentage of asking price. Asking price, days on the market. city average selling price, percentage of asking price, days on the market in a city. Ensure the summary below the data is selected. Summary below the data is selected. Click OK. And then click OK. Be sure that the only range A1 to G88. Copy the range and paste the range. The center button. Select the range is A1 to G88. Group the data using the auto outline feature. Go to the data tab and select the auto outline. Click a group and again auto outline. Click OK. Collapse the auto outline to hide the listening and sale dates. Listening and sale date. Click the outline sample to display the grand average and city average row only. City average to the row only. So the step number 5 is complete. We can move to the step number 6. So the step number 6 is, now you are ready to format the data and set a print area. To print, only select the option of the worksheet. Format the average days on a market number with the 0 decimal placing. Average days on a market number with the 0 decimal placing. Go to the home tab and the number format and 0 decimal placing. Go to the number dialog box, select the number and 0 decimal placing. Click OK. 0 decimal places and apply the wrap text 1 in a cell G1 and J1. Select the cell G1, go to the wrap text, select the J1, select the wrap text, set a print area for the range is C1 to J88. Copy the range and paste the range. Select the ranges. Set the print area. Go to the page layout tab. Page setup dialog box. Click OK and click set a print area. So step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. So step number 7 is select the individually column G and J and change the column width to 10. Select the column G. G and J, change the column with this 10. Right click and click the column with, type the column with this 10, click OK. And change the column B, column with this 10, click OK. Next is change the row height to 24, first row. First row, click a right click and click a row height. Row height is 24. Type the 24, click OK. Percentage of asking and days on market. So step number 7 is a complete. We can move to the step number 8. Go to cell 101, read the question and type the correct answer. The respective highlighted cell in the range G102, G106. Do not copy paste result from the subtotal row. Type the numeric value rounded the nearest whole number. Apply the accounting number format is counting number format with the 0 decimal places and G102. Apply the accounting number format 0 decimal place. Accounting number format, go to the number group 0 decimal places, click OK. So the step number 8 complete. We can move to the step number 9. So the step number 9 is pivot table helps you analyze different perspective of a data. You will create a pivot table using the sale data worksheet. Click the sale data worksheet. Go to the Excel worksheet, sale data worksheet, and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Create the blank pivot table. Select the date, go to the page layout tab, insert tab, click commanded pivot table and click a blank pivot table. Create a blank pivot table new worksheet and name the new worksheet is pivot table. Copy the name worksheet, right click and rename the worksheet, paste the pivot table, enter button. Name the pivot table is average city to prices. Copy the average city prices. Pivot table name is average city price. Press enter. Okay. So step number 9 is complete. We can move to the step number 10. Step number 10 is a part of the process, arranging and rearranging field that provide the perspective to represent the data best. In addition, you want to display the average value instead of the total value. Place the city field to row area. City field to say later worksheet. Insert tab, command chart, and blank pivot table. Click OK. City field to move and drag the row area. And selling agent field column area. Selling agent field to the column area. And the asking price and selling price value area. Asking price and selling price the value area. So the asking price and selling price value area. Display the average rather sum of accounting number format 0 decimal places. Display the average rather counting number format with the 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. And pivot the data, placing the city field below the value field column and the moving the selling agent to row area. Pivot table analyze. Row area and city is the column area. Sum of asking price and sum of selling price. Sum of selling price. Selling agent is the row area. Selling agent is row area. Sales is a column area to the moving the selling agent to the row area. So step number 10 is complete. We can move to the step number 11. So step number 11 is you want to focus on a real estate data for only 2 cities. Add the filter to B3 to display the only Alpine and Cedar Hill. Excel worksheet. Select the B3 and display the Alpine and Cedar Hill. Select all, click only Alpine and Cedar Hill, display the Alpine and Salary, click OK. Step number 11 is complete. Sheet name is pivot table. Name is table and the average city price is the pivot table name. Pivot table analyze and pivot table and press enter button.